Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your password on your Replika's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on Replika, firstly, go ahead and launch open your Replika application. The homepage of Replika application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Account and Password. On the next page, tap on Change Password option. Enter your current password and create a new password for your Replika's account, then tap on Save. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change your password on Replika's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.